It's our pleasure to show you around the new 2020 Bay Star. With its long list of features, plus all the modern conveniences you're looking for, it's easy to see why the Bay Star is our best-selling gas-powered RV, and it's all built with legendary Newmar quality. Our tour starts in the cockpit, where the power-adjustable driver's seat allows you to find the perfect position. If you like, you can add a power-adjustable passenger seat as well. Either way, a passenger seat workstation and footrest come standard. Side and rear view camera displays help you drive with confidence, and an optional Rand McNally navigation system helps you find your way wherever the road leads. The cockpit also features a Bluetooth-compatible Sony audio system that's connected to 4 custom-tuned JBL speakers, so you can listen to audiobooks or music in crystal clear sound. In the living area of Floorplan 3609, you'll see our Seneca Decor package paired with available vinyl tile flooring. You have several options for furniture arrangements, including a hide-to-bed sofa, a bunk sofa, or dual recliners. Featured here is a flex steel jackknife sofa with stylish nailhead trim, 2 storage ottomans, and a dry bar. The dry bar is also home to a Samsung LED TV, which is paired with a Blu-ray disc player. To take movie night to the next level, select the optional Bose soundbar. A second overhead-mounted TV can be added too. With 2 available Wi-Fi access solutions, you can surf the web, get work done, or just kick back while streaming your favorite shows and movies. For the ultimate convenience, a laundry station with a stacked washer and dryer can also be added. The Bay Star's nicely equipped kitchen will please even the gourmets in your group. Polished solid surface countertops surround a stainless steel double bowl sink, and a hand-laid backsplash adds texture and beauty. The Bay Star appliance suite makes cooking a joy. In this particular coach, you see a 4-door refrigerator with an ice maker and a stainless steel convection microwave with a recessed cooktop. Shown here in Calypso, the maple glaze cabinetry provides a residential look and features concealed hinges and soft closed drawers, a new offering for 2020. Next, we step into Floorplan 3609's midship half bathroom. Especially convenient for guests, it offers smart storage in the form of medicine and linen cabinets. Now we'll move on to the thoughtfully designed master suite. Floorplan 3609 positions a king bed across from a roomy dresser, boasting 3 drawers and 2 shirt wardrobes. Also offered in the Bay Star bedroom are an LED TV, a Blu-ray disc player, and nightstands with extra storage. Tucked away behind a pocket door, the spacious master bathroom features a 40-inch by 30-inch shower, a vanity with solid surface countertops, and an additional linen cabinet. The 2020 Bay Star is available in 11 unique floor plans, ranging from 30 to 36 feet in length. This floor plan, 3609, measures 36 feet 11 inches in length and includes 2 power slide-outs. Complete the look of your Bay Star with your choice of 3 full-paint masterpiece finishes, including one that's new for 2020. These industry-exclusive graphics are made possible by BASF and Industrial Finishes. Take the fun outside and relax beneath the power-side awning, which is equipped with strip lighting for nighttime enjoyment. Lit basement storage is accessible by way of heavy-duty 2-stage side-hinge doors, and automatic entry door steps make coming and going convenient and easy. Reliable power for your coach is provided by a 5.5 kilowatt Cummins Onan generator, plus an energy management system comes standard. Love to host friends and family? You have the option to add an exterior entertainment center to your Bay Star. With the 2020 Bay Star, convenience and comfort come standard, with plenty of options to make it your own. On behalf of everyone here at Newmar Corporation, we want to thank you for joining us on this tour of the 2020 Bay Star.